Good morning, everyone. It's Tuesday, March 8th. I'm Marv Eisen of Timeless Dollar, and starting out the day as I do every day, looking at the economic calendar to see if there are going to be any market-moving announcements. And today there are none, so let's move forward to the morning news. The morning news, essentially, flags are basically flat. NASDAQ futures, S&P futures, Dow futures, basically flat. The colors are in the red, but that really doesn't make any difference. They were green a little while ago. So we are basically starting out the day, and actually the market, we're about an hour before the market opens at the levels where prices closed yesterday. Moving over to the S&P, and I'm not going to look at the Emini chart today. I'm going to reference the actual S&P. And here we are in March 8th, right down here at 4,200. And we've come down from 4,800 just in a little over 2 months. And notice how choppy the market has been. This is a difficult market to trade. But for long-term investors, well, they are back to where they were in June of last year, 8 months ago. But still in all, the 2021 started down here at 3,700. So long-term investors, you guys are going to be fine. But still, as a day trader, and with the choppiness that we see here, the most important thing about day trading is learning the basics. I mean, you can't trade unless you know what you're doing. And so those basics are, there aren't a lot of them. And of course, you have to have rules along with those basics. And I teach them in my Emini trading course at timelessdollar.com. You need to know the trend. You need to know the timing. You need to know support and resistance. You need to have the trading zones. You need to have to know where the intraday highs and lows are, or if there is an intraday high or low, and be able to recognize that and what the import of that is in where prices are heading. So the basics are the most important thing of day trading. So if you are day trading and you are, let's say you're paper trading, and I assume many of you who are watching this video are paper trading, you need to know the basics. Don't just take a trade and you made money, you lost money. Know why you made the trade, and if it makes money, great. It made money because your assessment was correct. If it lost money, you need to know why it lost money before you go on to trading actual money. So learn the basics. Take my course at timelessdollar.com. Take somebody else's course. In fact, I have a free course at timelessdollar.com that teaches you about the pitfalls and mistakes that most new traders make. No, I'll scratch that all new traders make. Take my free course at timelessdollar.com. So these basics, the trading zone, support and resistance, intradays, these are all the things that you need to know about to learn how to trade properly, or else you won't be trading for a long time. So that's my lesson for the day. Marv Eisen, the Timeless Dollar. Trade safely, use a lot of patience, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.